Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we do arts and crafts from A to Z. Marian here, back with another DIY project as part of our series on creating Christmas ornaments for a Candyland-themed Christmas tree. In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint a clear acrylic ball, which will be transforming into a festive Gumball ornament for a Candyland tree. We got this clear ball from Michaels. They also have glass options, but we prefer the acrylic since it's shatterproof. There are many ways to paint an acrylic ball, but we prefer this method because it gives us vibrant and glittery ornaments perfect for our Candyland-themed Christmas tree. First, you'll need Polycrylic, which you can easily find at any hardware store, and this will serve as the adhesive. To start, pour some polycrylic into the acrylic ball using a funnel. Make sure to coat the inside thoroughly, then pour the excess back into the container. Next, add glitter using a funnel and shake it around to evenly cover the inside of the ball. Once you are satisfied, pour out any excess glitter and put the lid back on. And that's it! Super easy and fun to make. Be sure to check our channel for more delicious and cute DIY ornaments for Candyland-themed Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest craft projects. Thank you for watching!